People say you are old as your spine. So how old is your spine is how old you are, because your spine is connected to all the nerves. Every single vertebrae on your spine is connected to an important nerve. So let's say one of these is for the eyes, for the throat, for the lungs, the heart, everything. And if the spine gets like a banana, you sort of go into old age. And we can grow older, we can live longer than it is said in society. Like many people cap at 100, but a few hundreds of years ago, like maybe 200, 300 years ago, there are records of people living to 150, 170, 200, 250, 300. People in remote areas in the mountains, eating very simply, living off of clean air, working in the fields every day in the sunshine, no EMFs, no bullshit, no stress, no clocks, you know, like tuning into nature. What? Yeah, Ainsley, yeah, yeah. We've been fucked. Telling people told us we cap at 100. Yeah. There are records, people like, but it takes a very different lifestyle than we are living right now. You need to be pretty much away from all the bullshit of civilization. You need to eat very clean, eat very little, so not eat too much. Move every single day, be in the fresh air, higher altitudes, have better oxygen. And the more we have industrialized and fucked up the ecosystem, and it's not everywhere like that, it's only in the cities. So yeah, there's like a tribe somewhere in the Himalayas, they only eat dates and something, and they work in the fields all day, and it's like there's a grandpa who's like 150, and he's working in the fields next to his 20-year-old grandson, and it's like, and they don't look so different. It's like this one is 20, and you would say maybe this guy's 70, but he's like 150, and he's plowing those fucking fields every single day. Blood flow, yes. I have often, you see, it says I have often heard about spines in my yoga. Yeah, you're old as your spine, and also you're old as your blood flow. You're as old as your veins. So how much blood flow is there in your life? Funny how nowadays each of my lives turns into health advice, nutrition advice, movement advice. If it's human design, we talk about nutrition and movement and organs and stuff like that. If it's emotional and mental health, we talk about nutrition, we talk about longevity. But fuck it, ask anything, ask me anything. It's usually human design, but we can talk about anything.